Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions and humid weather across the region this morning. Going to see that continue throughout much of the day today. We'll see decreasing cloudiness, especially during the late afternoon hours, as this low-level cloud cover should move off to the north and west with a southerly sea breeze, wind moving onshore. We'll see a slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm associated with that sea breeze, and in addition to a weak upper-level trough over the area. That's going to give us some weak forcing across the region, possibly producing a pop-up shower thunderstorm for the early afternoon hours today. Overall, though, for today, those thunderstorm chances and rain chances only look to be about 20%, so a slight chance. We'll see warm and humid conditions today. Heat indices should be around 90 degrees with highs in the mid-80s as well as dew points in the mid-70s. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 14,000 feet. Light winds once again throughout the column this morning. More southwesterly in the low levels, becoming more westerly to northwesterly in the mid-upper levels, and only 18 knots, 20,000 feet with a peak wind this morning. Current surface analysis shows that weak trough across the region, high pressure off the coast, and return flow around that area, high pressure, giving us those warm and humid conditions across the region for today. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see a little bit of cloud cover across the region. This cloud cover off the west is continuing to dry up as it moves towards our region, and just seeing some, in general, shallow cumulus clouds across the region this morning. Did have a brief shower pop up or sprinkle across the region earlier the past hour, but that has continued to weaken and just kind of fade into the shallow cumulus clouds that we have across the area today. Taking a look at the HRRR model, you can see here we do have a possibility of a pop-up shower thunderstorm around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then we move into the overnight hours, we'll see a chance of a shower thunderstorm moving through the region. This HRRR run doesn't show it as much across the area, but we'll have a weak boundary moving through the region. It's going to give us a possibility of a shower thunderstorm. Let's move into Wednesday afternoon. Going to see a chance of showers and thunderstorms moving through the region, but looks like a better chance of showers and thunderstorms across the Wallops region during the late afternoon into the evening hours, with the best chance looks like during the late evening hours, as is typical for our weather pattern here at Wallops, with the showers and thunderstorms looks like to develop on the lee of the Appalachians and slowly propagate towards the region for the late evening hours on our Wednesday. So looking at our terminal forecast and our risk chart today, we'll see a high of 85 degrees today, a low tonight of 74. That yellow for our precipitation and lightning during the early afternoon hours today, as well as the overnight hours. We'll see our winds today out of the south at 7 to 12 knots, becoming southwesterly overnight at 5 to 10 knots. We'll see a 30% chance or a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the area for the early afternoon hours, and then as well again overnight. We'll see a chance of a shower or thunderstorm across the region. As we move into our morning, for Wednesday, we'll see a broken deck around 7,000 feet, scattered deck at 700 feet, so a slight chance we see some lower level ceilings as well to start out the day Wednesday. Our times running normal, looking at Wednesday to Thursday. Wednesday, mostly partly cloudy with a chance of a late afternoon shower or thunderstorm. We'll see slightly breezy winds as well as some warm and humid conditions, a high of 87 degrees, so heat indices will be in the mid-90s for our Wednesday. Wednesday night, good chance of evening showers and thunderstorms, otherwise partly cloudy and humid, low of 73. And for Thursday, partly cloudy with a chance of a pop-up shower, thunderstorm, humid and warm, high of 88 degrees. We'll see those yellow conditions for our precipitation and lightning for both Wednesday and Thursday. Best chance comes on our Wednesday night with that convective activity looks like it moved through during the evening hours. So the next 7 days we'll see temperatures in general fairly seasonable for this time of year. Mid-80s to upper 80s for highs, overnight lows in the lower to mid-70s. We'll see Friday high around 86, a 15% chance of a pop-up isolated thunderstorm with sea breeze boundary. But then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday looks like we have some dry conditions expected. Possibility seeing some pop-up showers, thunderstorms on Monday, but being that far out into the forecast, we'll continue with a dry forecast this time. Partly cloudy skies, some fairly humid conditions, so very typical for August for this time of year, for the weekend into early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.